Okay, in this video I am going to do something a little different, and that will be provide you with some design ideas for a handrail you could actually build out of baseball bats, using the baseball bats as balusters. And unlike some of my other videos, this is a video that I found a picture on the internet while doing some research. And they had some baseball bats, except for the fact that they had the baseball bats, the top the bottom of the handles here, sticking out of the top of the railing. Unlike this example where I have it going into the bottom of the railing. So they were actually sticking out on top. I don't think that would be approved by your local building department, but again, keep in mind that this is only meant to be a suggested method of construction, kind of getting a little creative here. I don't see why they would have a problem using baseball bats for balusters, because they're pretty strong materials built out of strong wood. And I'm pretty sure, if I remember right, most baseball bats are made out of hickory, but hickory or ash, something like that. But I could be wrong. It has happened before. Now, of course, here's another method. I went ahead and put some type of blocking down here on the bottom so that all of the baseball bats would line up and give us a straighter line. And again, you'd have to, you're going to have to do some work. I'm not showing you how to build the hand railing, just kind of throwing out an idea of something. Those of you who love baseball, something like this might be something worthwhile to look into. And as I mentioned earlier, you've got to check with your local building department to make sure you can actually do something like this, especially if you're going to have the handle sticking out of the top of the railing. But again, I don't think this would be a problem here. Baseball bats, I kind of moved this out a little bit here. It was kind of tight on the other design, where it was, this bat was up against the bottom. View it from the other side. And again, you'd have to figure out a way to secure something like this to the landing. I don't think that would be that difficult. And another idea that might work better would be to have some type of a rake wall here, or a wall where the bats can go into. And again, you could cut these at an angle, or you could drill some holes to where the bats could slide into those holes. And this one here looks a little cleaner. Again, if you're looking for something, this actually might be a little easier to do. And again, you could line all of the bats up in order, as we did in the previous illustration. So another design idea. And my last suggestion would be to alternate the bats, to have one running in this direction and the other running in this direction to provide you with something that would look like this. So anyway, let me know what you think about my bat handrail design idea. Like I said, this isn't my original idea, but thought I would share it with those of you who are baseball enthusiasts, and or even might have a friend that you might want to share this video with, who loves baseball and everything about it, and is planning on building a new house or remodeling an old staircase.